In today's digital age, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals to generate income, often in unconventional ways. Among the myriad of platforms available, Google News stands out as a powerhouse for information dissemination. While many associate it solely with news publications and articles, there exists a lesser-known avenue for earning through this platform, one that doesn't require the creation of content. Yes, you read it right. In this video, I'll walk you through my journey of earning $2,000 with Google News without posting a single article. Understanding Google News and its potential. Google News is a platform curated by Google that aggregates news content from various sources worldwide. It serves as a centralized hub for users to access news articles, videos, and other multimedia content across diverse topics and regions. Publishers strive to get their content featured on Google News, aiming to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to their websites. However, beyond the traditional model of content creation and publication, Google News harbors an untapped potential for individuals keen on monetization. Leveraging this potential requires a shift in perspective, from being content creators to content curators. The concept of content curation. Content curation involves gathering, organizing, and presenting existing content from diverse sources in a cohesive and meaningful manner. It's about adding value to the existing information landscape by selecting the most relevant and engaging content pieces for a particular audience. While content creators produce original material, content curators sift through this vast ocean of content, cherry-picking the gems and presenting them in a way that resonates with their audience. My journey into content curation with Google News. My journey into content curation with Google News began with a simple realization: the abundance of information available on the internet and the scarcity of time among users to sift through it all. Recognizing this gap, I saw an opportunity to bridge it by curating content tailored to specific interests and preferences. Step 1. Identifying niche markets. The first step in my journey was identifying niche markets with a dedicated audience base hungry for curated content. Instead of targeting broad categories like technology or sports, I delved deeper into sub-niches such as smart home gadgets or extreme sports documentaries. These niches, though relatively smaller, boasted passionate audiences craving curated content. Step 2. Setting up Google News alerts. Once I pinpointed my niche markets, I set up Google News alerts for relevant keywords and topics within those niches. These alerts served as my eyes and ears, constantly scouring the web for fresh content aligned with the interests of my target audience. Step 3. Curating and organizing content. With a steady stream of content pouring in through Google News alerts, I began curating and organizing the material into digestible formats. This involved selecting the most captivating articles, videos, and multimedia content, and arranging them into thematic collections or news digests. Step 4. Building a platform. To showcase my curated content, I established a platform, a website or a blog, dedicated to each niche market. This platform served as a centralized hub where enthusiasts could discover curated content tailored to their interests. I ensured the design was user-friendly, allowing for seamless navigation and exploration of curated content. Step 5. Monetizing through ad revenue. Once my platforms gained traction and attracted a steady flow of visitors, I monetized them through various means, primarily through display advertising. Google AdSense proved to be a valuable ally in this regard, enabling me to place targeted ads on my platforms and earn revenue based on clicks and impressions. Key takeaways and lessons learned. My journey of earning $2,000 with Google News without posting a single article taught me invaluable lessons and insights into the world of content curation and online monetization. 1. Niche is key. Identifying niche markets with dedicated audiences is crucial for success in content curation. Focusing on specific interests allows for targeted content curation and facilitates audience engagement. 2. Consistency is vital. Consistency in content curation and publication is paramount for building and retaining an audience. Regularly updating curated content keeps the platform fresh and encourages repeat visits. Google News offers a lucrative opportunity for individuals to earn through content curation, bypassing the traditional model of content creation. By identifying niche markets, curating relevant content, and building dedicated platforms, one can harness the untapped potential of Google News and generate substantial income without posting a single article. My journey serves as a testament to the power of content curation and the myriad possibilities it presents in the digital landscape. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of content curation and unlock the earning potential of Google News today. So there you have it, folks. A simple yet effective method to make money online with Google News. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, happy earning.